Welcome to the Business Directory plugin for WordPress. This video will teach you everything you need to get up and running. After completing your purchase, go and download Business Directory Premium from your account. Then open WordPress and add a new plugin by clicking Upload Plugin and select the zip file you just downloaded. If not already installed, it will ask you to install the basic plugin as well. Click on the new Directory menu and enter your license key. And finally, it will ask you to create the required pages. While you can add listings here, it is best to add them directly from the directory page. Let's make a gym directory listing as an example and add a listing thumbnail. When published, you will notice that it does not appear on the main page. To make listings appear on the main page, go to Settings, Categories, and turn on the Show Listings Under Categories toggle. Those categories can be added here. And all the form fields can be customized here to fit your needs. Let's first go into the registration settings and make sure Require Login to Post Listings is turned off. Then allow users to create an account during list submission and make it required. At this point, you may want to decide what you want to include in your different plans. Let's enable images for our free plan and then try it out. After the user has created their listing and set their username and email address, they will be sent an email to set their password. And you will see their listing request that you can publish. You can also change this so that listings are automatically published. Let's create a login page so that users have the option to log in and edit their listings whenever they want to. For the login page, we need the Business Directory Manage Listings shortcode. You can find all shortcodes on our Business Directory knowledge base. New users can now log in and edit their listings. Now go ahead and add custom fields, tags, paid plans, and much more. If you need support, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our first-in-class support staff is ready to assist. Thank you for choosing Business Directory plugin.